Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, we're in Clipwise AI, and I am going to show you how to create those faceless TikTok and YouTube short videos that are literally taking over the internet, and they're taking over the algorithms running on these platforms. Guys, I have seen hundreds, I don't even know how many videos I've seen in this format, and in fact, I dug a little deeper here, and I have found I don't know how many channels that are using them, like the AI Historian and History Bypass. For example, these guys have hundreds of thousands of subscribers based on these types of videos, and they've got millions of views, and this is what they're doing. So I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. It's super easy. I'm going to walk you through it. Let's go. All right, so the first step is you want to go to clipwise.ai. Link will be in the description below. If you don't have an account, click on sign up. It's free to do so. If you do have an account like me, click on create your first video. From there, you'll see that I've logged in with Google in the past, so I'm just going to click on that and continue to log in with Google. Once I've done that, you get right into the main screen, and here's the thing about Clipwise. It is extremely easy to use. You don't need any fancy software or anything like that. It's just literally type in what you want, click a couple buttons, and you're done. Let me show you. All right, and before we roll up our sleeves and get into the nitty-gritty, I just want to be super transparent and show you the pricing page. Now, there are 3 different plans here, and honestly, I think they're all great. The one that I, of course, recommend to start with is the free plan. This gives you 2 videos with a watermark, but more importantly, it gives you the ability to try out the software, try out the tool, see what it can and can't do, and whether or not it works for you. If it does, well, then you got 2 more options. You can go into the middle plan, which is 10 HD videos without a watermark per month, and then the big plan, which is 20 HD videos without a watermark. All 3 are great. Try it out for free. All right, let's roll up our sleeves. Let's get rolling. All right, so in the middle here, you'll see the prompt bar. I'm going to type in what I want. So I'm creating a history-style channel or history-style short video. So I'm going to go 5 unique facts about Julius Caesar, and I'm just picking him at random. It could be anybody. This could be any type of video that you want to create a video on. It could be Caesar, it could be news, it could be, productivity, what you do in the morning, tips, tricks, all those types of things. Go nuts. Whatever works for you, go for it. I went with that one. Now, once I scroll down here, you'll see here we've just got a few more things we got to click on, and then it's job done. So we can select the video tone. Do we want it to be a humorous style video, dark and intense, or informative? I'm going to go with informative, although if I was doing one of those scary story type videos, the dark and intense video tone is very, very convincing. I'm going to add that just right there. In terms of visual theme here, you'll see that you get 4 right off the bat, but you can always click on view all, and then there's a whole bunch more you can choose from. For this one, I'm going to go with the cinematic style because I really like it. But again, you can go with whatever works for you. I've just clicked on cinematic. I'll X out of there, and presto, you'll see that that is selected. Finally, we get 2 more options. We can do a video overlay. Now, I'm kind of partial to the lightning because, well, I don't know. I saw one on Sparta in the 300, and it had lightning and all that stuff in it, and I thought it was really, really good. So that's what I'm going to go with. And then finally, background music. There's a bunch of different music here. I am going to go with, where is it? I'm going to go with this one here, which is Zen Chill, but you guys can choose any style you want. Let's just listen to this style so you can hear kind of the music you're getting. Okay, so it's pretty laid back, pretty chill stuff. But again, it's just one of many selections. Maybe, actually, you know what? Let's go with Orchestral Fury. I like that one. That one's really, really good. And then for voiceover, this is the last step, really. All you got to do is click on the voice that you want. So for me, I've tested out a whole bunch of these, and I can tell you right now, my personal favorites is Kelly Williams. She's the female. Let's listen to it for a quick sec.
The only thing to do with good advice is to pass it on.
That is a very well done voice. It sounds just about perfect. And then for male voices, I really like Kane Davis, especially for darker stuff, and Knightley Thomas. So let's click on Kane Davis and take a listen to him.
Good actions give strength to ourselves and inspire good actions in others.
That one sounds good. So I'm going to go with that one. That sounds like a historian right there. So I'm going to click on that. Then I'll just go back up to the top here. I'll click out. And then literally all I got to do now is click on next. And you'll see here it's already starting to think about what we're going to do here. So it's going to be a cinematic style. It's going to have Kane Davis as the voiceover artist or voiceover voice, I suppose. And it's going to be Orchestral Fury as the background music. Also, we're going to get caption styles here. You can put the captions in the bottom or in the center, you can select any type of font here. My favorite is Luckiest Guy, which is what they go with by default, but you could choose something else, and then you can also, of course, choose the color. So I'm going to leave it as is. It's generating the script right now. It should take a few seconds. Come back when it's done, show you the last step. All right, welcome back. So here's what we got. So underneath here, you're going to notice that under script review, we have a couple of options. Here is the audio script so far. These are the exact words that it's going to say in Kane Davis's voice. Prepare to be amazed by these lesser-known facts about Julius Caesar. Okay, that's off to a good start. Fact 1. Caesar was kidnapped by pirates as a teenager. After paying his ransom, he vowed revenge and returned to crucify his captors. That is correct. I have read a great deal about Caesar, and that is absolutely correct. Fact 2. Julius Caesar was a formidable military leader who expanded the Roman Republic through a series of campaigns across Europe, especially across Gaul, I should add. And yes, this is correct too. So it's gone ahead and given us these 5 different facts plus the intro. Perfect. Now, let's take a quick look at the images. You'll notice here there's a little bit of like a pen icon here. If I click on that, you'll notice here that I can regenerate this image if I'm not happy with it. So this looks like a great image of ancient Rome, so I'm going to go with it. But if I wanted something different, I could do that. The same with this one here. This is their take on Julius Caesar, and it looks fine to me. It looks very similar to what he would have looked like as a young man. So great. So here we go. I'm happy with it. However, if there was something that I didn't like, you can go in and change it. So if I wanted this to say something else, I could just go in and say the Bella Gallico. Something like that. Like I just go in and overwrite it. So keep that in mind, that you're not stuck with whatever's here. Now, the next step here, and the last step really, is just to click on next. And watch this. It's now generating a video. It'll take just a few seconds. I'll come back when it's done, show you what we got, and that's it. All right, here we go. So there we go. It says our video is ready. Let's take a quick listen, see what we got.
Prepare to be amazed by these lesser-known facts about Julius Caesar. Fact 1. Caesar was kidnapped by pirates as a teenager. After paying his ransom, he vowed revenge and returned to crucify his captors.
Damn. Guys, that is fantastic. That is exactly what I want. If I want to download it, of course, I just click on the download button, and then it'll take me here.
Prepare
and
to
then
be amazed.
just click on these 3 little dots right there. Click on download, and that's it. That is literally all there is to it for Clipwise, guys. You can now create amazing short videos with just a couple clicks. Thanks for watching.